baking soda shot, baking soda recipe, a so-called miracle drink that Oprah supposedly created, and apparently it makes fat disappear almost instantly. Sure, Facebook is packed with these videos, and they all promise the same thing: a secret recipe, fast weight loss, simple ingredients, and of course Oprah. So what's actually in it? Does it work? Or is this just another scam with a celebrity deepfake attached? Let's take a look. This is the Facebook ad I found. It claims Oprah discovered a special weight loss recipe. They show lemon, baking soda, and one mysterious extra ingredient. What is it? They won't tell you. Naturally, you have to click the link, then watch another video, because apparently lemon and baking soda now require a full documentary. Let's fast forward. There, look at the baking soda box, look at the bottle on the table. The labels are complete nonsense. Warped text, broken letters, classic AI-generated garbage, but the fake video is only the beginning. Click the link, and you land on a page designed to look like a major news website, CNN, The Today Show, some trusted health publication, except it isn't. It's a sales page wearing a cheap news site costume, big headline, fake authority, and one ridiculously long video, 30 minutes, an hour, sometimes even longer, and they keep telling you, watch until the end, because the secret ingredient is coming any second now. Just keep watching and watching and watching. I checked several versions of these baking soda videos, same formula every time. Oprah appears, doctors appear, celebrities appear, regular people appear. Everyone is supposedly obsessed with this amazing homemade recipe. Then you reach the end, and guess what? There is no recipe, no secret mixture, no miracle drink. Instead, the video suddenly starts selling capsules. Of course it does. The baking soda recipe was never the product. It was bait. The real goal was to keep you watching long enough to sell you a supplement, AlkaLean, ShapeON, or some other product with a new label and the exact same script. Different bottle, same scam. Then comes the emergency. The discount ends today. Stock is almost gone. Oprah is supposedly offering you a special deal because apparently billionaire celebrities spend their free time running limited time supplement sales through random Facebook ads. Very believable. But Oprah is in the video, and so are famous doctors. They wouldn't lie, correct? They didn't. Because they never said any of this. The videos are fake. Some are full AI deepfakes. Others use real clips that have been cut, rearranged, and manipulated. Then scammers add a fake voice track. The face is real. The words are not. The endorsement is not. The entire story is manufactured. Oprah Winfrey has repeatedly warned people about fake ads using her image to promote miracle diets, weight loss products, and supplements. Dr. Ania Jastreboff has also warned about AI-generated videos and fake weight loss claims using her identity. Neither of them created this recipe, neither of them endorsed these supplements, and neither of them is secretly helping you lose weight with lemon and baking soda. So the next time a celebrity appears in your feed with a simple recipe, a secret ingredient, and life-changing results, stop. Check the video, check the website, and ask one basic question. Why does a free homemade recipe always end with a credit card form? Because it was never a recipe. It was a sales funnel, and the secret ingredient was deception. Thanks for watching.